This recording shows you how to log in to our new Ask a Librarian service. You can log in right here from the home page on the link to Ask a Librarian. You can log in from any LiveGuides product. You just go down to the bottom right corner and you'll see a login here. And everyone should have a login and password, but contact me if you have any trouble. And then once you're in LiveGuides, you're going to switch over to Live Answers, and that is where our new Ask a Librarian lives. Once you get there, this is the dashboard. I'm going to close up this notice. This is the dashboard. The questions that have come in using the question form are down here, so you could click on one to answer the question. And then if you wanted to be available for chat, you would sign in to the chat service. And then you would be notified if someone was trying to use the chat. So again, here's the dashboard, questions that have come in using the question form down here, and sign in over here to be available to chat.